The one advice I will give you on multifamily. First of all, do not tell people you're the owner. Number one rule. When they see you as a normal person, they try to take over, which is the opposite. Because with me, if I know you're the owner, I would be like, and I know you on a personal level, I would be embarrassed, like if I hadn't paid my rent. And no, they see you like, normal persons, so they pull more stunts. The other one is you have to stick by the rules of the contract. So I had this one lady, she was always paying on time. This one time, the 5th was on a Sunday. She did not pay it by that Sunday. And come to find out, she was in a car accident. So I waived the late fee. She came in, the minute she got to the hospital, came in and paid it. And she asked me if I would waive it. And I waived it. I mean, not even 3 minutes go by. Not even, I think it was probably like 2 minutes. I have 3 people walking into my office wanting their late fee waived. They all talk, think, they all agree with you on everything, but they're all against you. I learned my lesson. Now I say, okay, it is by the book.